Bora. Lebara. Let's put it with the axe and have a look. Bit of rock through it. Watch out for that pepper just there.
Yeah, I've seen it. What's she doing?
Oh,
Are we getting wood? Can you say cutting wood?
cover. Me.
What is it?
Away.
It's not a wee, it's just water. Why don't we have coffees?
I don't know, I was wondering that.
You didn't try very hard. Hang on, I'll sit there in a sec. I'm just trying to look at what Daddy's doing.
A bit of crap in the middle.
Eat it.
Poop.
Poop?
Hell, poop on a stick.